Hey guys, I'm just eating some breakfast real fast. I just have some caramel rice cakes, a banana, and some grapes that are starting to go bad. I've been eating this the past couple of days and it's been really, satisfying. So I'm just eating it again today. It's already 11:15. It's technically like lunchtime, but this is the first thing I'm eating today. I'm just doing this, chilling for a second. I just got some Amazon packages. So this is the smart plugs that I ordered. It's 2 in here. It was only $9.99, so I thought this was a good deal. And here I just have a clear case for my son's tablet and some bowls. These don't even look like, okay, yes they do. So I just have some bowls. I don't know if I'm keeping these though. I wouldn't have selected these colors, but these were the only ones that I saw. But this was like $7 something, and I feel like if I just run to Walmart, I can get a better deal. So yeah, I don't know, those might be going back. Do I have anything else in here? I don't think so. No, that's everything. So yeah, I had some stuff in this box too, but it was a little explicit. Yeah, this was like my little box that was just complimentary. I didn't buy this stuff, so yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and connect these and connect my lights to them in my bedroom. And yeah, these are probably going back, and then I'll put his tablet in here. I just wanted this to be able to fit in here because I didn't realize, or I didn't think about the fact that the other one couldn't fit before I bought this. So now he can like sit under his bed and watch that if he wants to, or like even while he's out in the other part of the room, he can see that now. Guys, these were so freaking annoying to connect. I finally got them to connect to the Google device. I had to get like the Smart Life app, and then I had to connect it to the Google app. So I swear it's taken like an hour and a half to just get it connected, but now it's done. So now I could just say, okay, turn on the lights, and both of the lights come on. Okay, turn the lights off. But y'all, I swear that was such a headache, like getting it connected. The Alexa one was way, more simple to just, connect it and then connect it to the Alexa device. But of course, that's like a bigger company. So yeah, this was just very annoying. So I'm just so glad that it's done now. I can go ahead, jump in the shower, and go to work. Hey guys, so I am just starting to work. Finally getting out the house. I swear that setting up that little smart plug was so annoying. They need to make that more simple. I had to like look at a YouTube tutorial to even get through it. Like I was following the steps on the paper, but it was just still crazy. I got on my big flannel from the thrift store. I really like it though. I have to really stop sleeping on the thrift store or thrift stores, because like I've been really finding some heat. And I'm just like, what have I been doing? Like I used to just only buy furniture or like little knickknacks from the thrift store, but now that I'm into the clothing, I'm really seeing the benefits. But anyway, I had ordered, I'm just going to keep it all the way real with y'all. I know y'all have heard about the rose and everybody's like going crazy about it. So I ordered one. And then they sent me a letter in the mail and was like, if you do like a review, we'll send you $25. So did that, and then after I did the review and got the $25, they were like, oh, now you can select 2 more free toys. So now, like, I just got like 2 more toys that I wasn't even expecting or don't even really need, but you know, I have to roll the windows down now because it's burning up. But it's actually cold outside. It looks like it's hot, but like when I came outside, it was actually pretty cold. So anyway, I'm about to get out and take a walk because clearly I'm not gonna get as much work as I want to today. So y'all, I had to get this company for my roadside assistance because one random day, what you call those people, AAA was just like, oh, you're too expensive, so we have to discontinue your account permanently. And I'm like, what? Like, I called them a few times, like, to because I like locked my keys in the car, so they would have to like come and pop the door open and get my key out. And I think another time, like, I had a flat tire. I know my tire exploded. Matter of fact, no, I didn't even call them for that because I was near a repair shop, so I was able to just like drive on the rim or whatever and like get there. But I don't know what I did, but I called them maybe 4 or 5 times, and then they were just like, oh, we have to discontinue your account. And I'm like, but I paid for this stuff. Like, it's not like I just, you know, was calling y'all and I wasn't paying. Like, I literally paid for the coverage. So like, why are y'all just like kicking me off AAA? So I had to go with this company called Good Sam, like Good Samaritan. But I'm just like, wow, that was pretty rude. Like, and y'all just wouldn't even let me. I was asking them like, well, can I like pay again or pay more or something? They were just like, no. Hey guys, so I just made my mother and I some salad. This is my mother's. I tried to make hers a little more aesthetically pleasing. And this is mine. I didn't put the onions in mine. I gave my mother the last of my Castelvetrano olives because I don't think she's tried them yet. So I'll just put Kalamata olives in mine. And these are sweet peppers. This is just a green bell pepper. Cucumber, like some turkey cold cuts, and a tomato. And I gave her like 2 tomatoes. I'm gonna give her this sun-dried tomato dressing because I don't know if she's tried this. But then I have her some sour cream and black bean hummus in here, and I'm just gonna give her a little tuna fish because I only had a little bit of meat left. So yeah, that's everything.
Tomorrow.
Hey guys, I had to run in Target real fast because I have to let my door hit these people's car. I had to run in Target really fast because my son, I don't know, like, I might need like to make a little sign to go on my garbage can. My son has been throwing away all of his like dishes, so I just needed to run and get some bowls. This was the only one I saw, but this was perfect because it was only $3. I ordered some other ones from Amazon too, but that one was only a 3-pack, but that one did have lids, so I just kept it. And plus I was trying to return that one because it had, like, you know, lavender and girlier colors, but when I went to return it, they literally were like, well, you can just do a returnless refund. So I was like, what? So y'all just, you know, gonna give me my money back and I just keep the item? So I kept it, but I still wanted to get ones with better colors. So I know this one has the pink on the outside, but the rest of the colors look pretty gender neutral. So yeah, I'm headed to pick up an order real fast. I was trying to hurry up, because as soon as I pulled up and parked, they sent the trip. So I was like, wow, I gotta go in here like 2 seconds now. Okay, so I just did like 3 or 4 trips, and I can finally park and take a little break. But yeah, what I was saying was, my son, I had like some of these before, and they were, you know, brighter colors. They weren't like the pastel ones like those are, but I just started noticing, like, okay, where are all your bowls? Because I was like washing dishes, and I'm like, I'm not seeing like any kid stuff. So then I would like look in the cabinets and everything, and they just were not there. So I'm like, boo boo, like, are you throwing your bowls in the garbage? So he was like, yeah. So like, I discovered that a few weeks ago, and he had like, I think 2 or 3 bowls left, but then all of a sudden, like, it's no bowls left. So I'm like, oh my God, he just threw away all the bowls. So I had to like order more. And I could have just, you know, did it the ghetto way and just gave him adult bowls, but I just didn't want to do that. So yeah, had to run and get those. I hope he does not throw these in the garbage, because I keep telling him, like, don't throw away your, you know, colorful dishes. But I think sometimes, like, when he goes to like throw stuff in the trash, he's just so focused on like watching cartoons or something like that, that he just like does it and doesn't even realize what he's doing. But yeah, I don't care. They're only, you know, $3. But I do hope that he doesn't throw all these away. But I was saying I need to make like a little sign, because my son can really read. Like, he'll see any store out here and just be like, oh, we're at such and such. But he's just a mess. Y'all, I'm watching this show. It's like number 10 on Netflix. Not number 10, but it's in the top 10 on Netflix. But it's called Sex Life. And they have like a slash in between sex and life. And I think that's because on the show, the main character is basically struggling between like her husband and this other guy. And it's on season 2 now, so now it's like another storyline or whatever. But what was going on was, she was struggling because like she had really mind-blowing sex with this one guy, but then, you know, her husband was like the perfect husband. So she had to like make a decision. But I'm not gonna do like a spoiler, so I won't tell you guys what happened. But it's really good, so I'm gonna watch that when I go home tonight. I bought some of the little like movie theater looking candy out of Dollar Tree earlier. I got Whoppers. Those are good because they just like melt in your mouth. So yeah, I got some of those. But yeah, I cannot wait to get home, jump in the shower, get comfortable, turn on my little show, eat my candy. I don't know if I'm going to eat the candy immediately. Like, I probably still need to eat some actual food. I'm going to put some recipes on the screen because I'm about to look on Pinterest and look for some stuff to make with ground turkey. I always usually just make chili, spaghetti, or sometimes I'll probably make like tacos, but I know I'm not about to make tacos. I don't even have all the ingredients. So yeah, I'm gonna put some stuff right here because I'm about to get off and look at Pinterest and find some recipes. Okay, y'all, so I think I'm gonna go with the turkey burger casserole. That just looks really different. I've never had that before. And I have all the ingredients for that one, so I think that's what I'm gonna be making. Okay guys, I'm about to start making the recipe. I'm gonna have to substitute regular milk for almond milk because I let my milk expire. It expired a few days ago. So yeah, I have turkey breast, onions, 2 eggs, the Bisquick, cheese. I'm gonna add sweet peas because it just sounds better to me, and milk. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and brown the meat and onions, and then I'm gonna mix. Well, once that's done, I'm gonna put the cheese on top and the sweet peas, and then I'm going to do the Bisquick. So yeah, let me get started.
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in.